much for coming and joining us this morning. There's some familiar faces and some new faces. If I haven't met you, please come say hello and introduce yourself. I'd love to meet you. This morning, I'm so excited to be partnering with Biolage and sharing with you their latest innovation, the raw, fresh recipes. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys this new experience that's in salon for guests to be able to have customized, personalized treatments that are based on natural ingredients. So the way that these work is the salon professional can assess their hair and really treat it and give them that personalized result. So what we have are two bases that they can mix in, and you guys are going to actually in just a little bit have a kind of a chef's table experience in the back and be able to hands-on experience this. So we have two bases that they can pick from, and then we have 6 different natural ingredients. We have coconut syrup, glycerin spread, and we have also aloe gel. So those are gonna deal with creating volume in the hair, maybe smoothing the cuticle, treating frizz, hydrating those ends that need that extra moisture, and really customizing these formulas and giving them that personal result. There's also 3 different fragrances, and I want you guys to be able to smell those and really have that experience. So we have pink peppercorn, eucalyptus, jasmine, sandalwood. That one's my personal favorite. So I want you guys to experience those. And we're also going to get into some of the at-home, which George is going to get into as well, for them to take home with them.
Yeah, so Biolage Raw was really the first brand to really be the innovator of using natural origin products for home care. So the Biolage, here's some of the products that are coming out. So the Biolage Scalp Care is the first natural origin product to treat dandruff and dry scalp. So it's a really great product. So the shampoo really treats the dry scalp, the redness, the irritation that's associated with dandruff and dry scalp. And the conditioner's got the willow bark and rosemary. So this rebalances the moisture. And then we finally have this little oil. So the oil uses, it's for rebalancing the scalp, really purifying and exfoliating, just to really rebalance it and just keep it in optimum condition. And then the Nourish shampoo and conditioner, this is reformulated. So what I love about this, it's great for dry, dull hair. It's really gonna make the hair really nourished. And this conditioner is 95% natural and organic, and it's a natural product. So you're getting it from coconut oil and it's a kaolin, are the 2 ingredients that are in this that really naturally hydrate the hair and are gonna make it feel really, really smooth.
We have the raw category, and you guys can check those out in a little bit, but we also have their core category, which is for them to take home. Within that, we have the Color Last. Let me grab these. So we have the Color Last shampoo, and what that does is it's really going to allow the consumer to be able to extend the life of their color. So once someone leaves my chair, it's really important to me that they have color that lasts long until their next visit. So this has orchid extract in it, and that's really going to deliver that moisture, repair the hair after the coloring service, and ensure that they don't have color that fades, which is really great with the new color line that we have. They're also going to be launching in May. I'm super excited as someone who does a lot of blondes in the salon, who has highlighted hair. The thing that I hear so often is people complain about brassiness. So I've tried every color, like purple shampoo on the market. This is my favorite. You guys are gonna love this. Not only does it smell amazing, but it immediately gets rid of brassiness, yellow tones. You're gonna love this. You're gonna want to take this home. She might take all of them home. Anyways, this is gonna get rid of the brassiness. I use this in the salon to replace toners, so it's damage-free, which is amazing. Gets rid of that brassiness, but then my clients can use this at home and have beautiful looking color that lasts until their next visit. And last but not least, I'm so excited to introduce these packets that are actually super powerful. These are our deep treatments. You might have already seen them, you might have already tried them. They come in 3 different formulas. These are plant-based emollients. They're 70% lighter than other hair masks on the market. So I love that Biolage has not only thought about taking care of our hair, but ourselves and also the environment. So that's really important to me as somebody looking to the future and what brands I'm partnering with. So we have 3 different formulas. They have the Hydra Pack, and that really goes in and moisturizes the hair. It has aloe and spirulina in it. As somebody who has wavy hair, I always am looking for moisture because that's how I keep my waves looking frizz-free. And the aloe and spirulina hydrate, but they also make sure that the hair doesn't get heavy and greasy. So I love that. It's so powerful. It's a treatment that I can do in the salon, but I can also send it home with my clients. There's 4 treatments in the pack, And I take this with me when I travel because it saves so much space, gives me more space for my shoes, which is really important. And then the two other formulas, we have the Color Last, and that really extends the life of the color. It makes the hair 3 times stronger, and it also cuts down on breakage by 70%. And you guys, when you look at these packages, you'll see these little tiny seeds. Those are apricot and orchid seeds. And what those do is they really deliver moisture into the hair and keep the hair from fading. And last but not least, we have the smoothing, the Smooth Proof. And what that does is it cuts down on frizz, but it also makes the hair 8 times smoother. So for me, that when I have clients that have super curly, kinky hair, I really recommend this product for them because it smooths the cuticle of the hair. It actually cuts down on how many frizz products I have to use, how many serums, and it makes the hair so much stronger long term. So I love that these packets are so powerful, that they're compact, and that they're so lightweight. So I'm really excited for you guys. Actually, now I think we're gonna get into the fresh recipe.
Yeah, so we're gonna invite you guys over to the farm tables, and we're gonna craft each formula for you guys to take home and just like really just experiment with and really play with. Okay, so let's divide up into groups.